Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change negative numbers to positive in Excel. Let's get started. The first method is handy when you want to replace negative values with their positive counterparts in the same column. For this, select an empty cell and enter the number -1. Copy this value. Now select the negative values you want to convert. Right-click, choose Paste Special, and paste the special again here at the bottom. Select Multiply, choose All except Borders, and click OK. That's it. Your negative values have turned positive. The second method is useful when you want to keep the original negative values in one column and display their positive counterparts in another column. Let's say you want to change the negative numbers in column B and display the positive values in column C. Click on the cell in column C where you want the positive values, type the equal sign, choose the negative value in cell B3, multiply it by -1, and press enter. Now you have the positive values in column C. To apply this to all values, copy the formula and drag it through the rows where you want the transformation to occur. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.